Hey there! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your menu. Once you log in, you're going to see your dashboard here and go to the left, hover over Appearance, and click Menus. More than likely, you're already going to see a menu here, but if you don't see anything, you see something that says give your menu a name and then click Create Menu, then that's exactly what you're going to do. So name it. Click Create Menu. Okay, if you didn't see that screen, you probably see something like this with tabs here. You're going to see what that looks like in a second. So over here, you're going to see all the different things that you can put in your menu. So here you've got pages, and you can select the pages that you want to add. So if I want to add the home page, I just click it, click Add to Menu, and it goes right here. If you don't see all of the pages that you need or that you have here, try clicking View All, and you can also click Search and search for the page. If you want to put a blog post in your menu, then you click Blog Post here. And these are my blog posts, so if you want to have one in there, you just click it and then click Add to Menu. If you want to link to something that isn't a page or a post, it maybe is a page to another website, or some other sort of page on your WordPress website which might be unique to your theme or your own website, then you'd go over here, enter the URL, and then the name of the link. So maybe you want it to be called Events or something like that, and it goes to eventbrite.com, something like that. Then you'd click Add to Menu, and it looks like that. See here on the side how it tells you what kind of link it is? I added a page, so it says page, and here it was a custom link to Eventbrite, and so it says custom link. Then the last thing you can add here is categories. So remember, these are the categories of your blog posts. So if you want to have a link to all of your blog posts that have the websites tag, you click Websites, Add to Menu. Now say you want to change this from saying Homepage to Home. You just click this arrow here. See where it says Navigation Label? You just change that. I want it to say Home. Now, this will not change the actual name of your home page. And there you have it. If you want to change the order of these pages, you just click one of the tabs and drag it to the position you want it to be in. If you want something to be a drop-down item, say you have your home link here and you want events to not show up on the menu but only show up when you hover over the home link, then you click Events and you move it to the right a little bit, so now it's indented, which means it'll only show up if you hover over Home in the navigation. Now, whether or not this will happen for you depends on your theme. Most themes will do this, but some may not. So if you don't see it happen, then that's a limitation of your theme. So I'm going to make this its own link now. The next thing I want you to check is if this is a new menu that you're creating, you need to look under Menu Settings and Display Location. Without getting into too much technical detail, this basically means you're telling WordPress where you want this theme to go. So for example, you may be able to show this any menu in the header of the website. So, maybe you can have a navigation here, and then WordPress may make it possible, or your theme may make it possible for you to also have a menu here too. So these would be two different locations. If you're creating a menu and you want it to be in the top, like where the menu typically and traditionally is, then click the one that sounds like it would be relevant to what you're looking for. Primary menu sounds like where it is I want the menu to go. Right here. This is where I would consider the primary menu to be. And if you're not sure, you can test it out and see where the menu is going to show up. Again, if you already had your menu, most likely the display location has already been selected. But if for some reason you're not seeing your menu, check this. Check this out and see if you need to assign it to a display location. Once you're done editing your menu, go up here or down here and click Save Menu. And now it's saved. Let's go to the home page and refresh. And now we see the menu links here. Now, if you have another location where you want your menu, this is a little more advanced. But if you want to add a different menu to a different location, then you would just click here, create a new menu, and follow that procedure. But more than likely, all you want to do ever is just edit this. Or by this, I mean the main menu. Now, to get a little bit more advanced, if you want to customize these links further, and all you see is navigation, label, and move, and original, and remove, and cancel, go up here to where it says screen options and click that. And you can see that you can click a few more things, or you can click to show a few more things. So for example, say you want to give the link a CSS class. Now CSS is a code term. So if that doesn't make sense to you, that's okay. Just keep following along just to understand what's going to happen. So here, click CSS classes, and you'll see down here, now this label has been added. And then here to the left, see where it says pages, posts, custom links, and categories. You can also add tags and format. So I'm going to click tags, and now you'll see that there's a new header here. I don't have any tags, so I'm not able to add that to my menu. But that's just a little bit extra information. You will most likely not need to touch screen options. If that confused you, don't worry about it. Just ignore all of that. But if you are looking for more options, you can click screen options and see what's there.